Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to see a no rate limit attack onto a live website. In this website, there was a vulnerability wherein I was able to perform brute force of OTPs and the application did not validate X number of attempts onto the OTP verification flaw. So this website is vulnerable to no rate limit, and let's see. So for instance, I have sent it already the verification request into my Burp suite and I have sent it that into the intruder tab. I have set the position of the OTP and now I'm into the payload tab. I'm just going to set the payload from 116401 to 116420. So basically, to prove the flaw, I'm going to put 20 OTPs. I tested on this website with 500 OTPs and it was working fine. I will just go into the options tab and I'm going to give some throttle of 6 seconds, that is 6000 milliseconds, so the application does not feel it's a DDoS happening or IDS IPS do not start alerting. As you can see, the first request has been sent. The second request has been sent. You can notice here between both the requests, the length that has come is exactly the same. We have got the status code as 200, but the length is exactly the same for all the wrong OTPs. So let's wait for a request which shows a different length. We have kept a throttle of 6 seconds, so each request is going 6 seconds delayed. So there is a 6-second delay between every simultaneous request. As you can see, the status is 200, but the length has changed for some requests. As you can see, 44883. So in this length change, there is something changed into the HTML page. But if we look closely onto our request, we have got a new status code that is 302, which is for redirect and found. As you can see, the length has also changed as well as the status code has also changed. So what we are going to do right now is I'm just going to show you the response. As you can see, there is a change in response as well as a change in the status code. As we can see, verifying different change in the length as well as the status code in the response. So this basically means that this OTP worked because of no rate limit vulnerability. So now I'm just going to go back to the application and reload this. Let me go to the dashboard and verify. I'll copy this response. I'll just go to the dashboard first and I will just reload this to verify that the OTP has been successfully activated or not. So yes, as you can see, I have taken over this phone number and I have successfully performed no rate limit on OTP verification, and I am able to take over anyone's phone number on my Combell account. I hope you guys understood. Thank you for watching.